After confirming the presence of a varicocele, your provider will grade its severity. What are the grades of a varicocele? There are four grades: grade 0, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3rd. First is grade 0. This is the smallest type of varicocele. Your provider can't feel it during a physical exam, but they can see it on an ultrasound. During a grade 1, your provider can't see the varicocele and they can only feel it when you perform the Valsa maneuver. Grade 2, your provider can feel the varicocele even when you are not performing the Valsa maneuver, but it's still not visible. Grade 3, this is the largest varicocele. Your provider can clearly see and feel it. Management and treatment. How do you get rid of a varicocele? Varicocele treatment depends on the severity of your varicocele. For low grade varicoceles, a health care provider may recommend at home treatment options including no treatment. You may not need treatment if your varicocele does not bother you or causes fertility issues. Changes to your daily routine. You may need to avoid certain activities that cause discomfort wearing tighter fitting underwear like spandex or elastane or a jock strap while exercising or standing or for long periods can ease symptoms. Ice. Applying ice or cold packs to your scrotum may help relieve pain and discomfort. Don't apply ice directly to your skin. Wrap ice or cold packs in a towel. Apply ice for no more than 15 minutes at a time. Over the counter OTC medications, non steroidal anti inflammatory drugs such as naproxen, ibuprofen can help relieve any aching or pain in your scrotum or testicles. Not everyone can take NSAIDs, so it is a good idea to talk to a provider before you take them. What varicocele surgery? A varicocelectomy is a surgical procedure that treats severe varicocele that are painful or affect your fertility. A surgeon who specializes in conditions that affect your urinary system and reproductive system will cut your affected veins and seal off the ends. This redirects blood flow to other healthy veins in your scrotum. How long it takes to recover from a varicocele treatment? Most people make a full recovery after a varicocelectomy within 6 weeks. What happens if a varicocele is left untreated? It depends on the varicocele grade. If you have a small varicocele, so that does not bother you or cause fertility issues. Prevention. Can a varicocele prevent it? Medical experts are not sure what causes varicocele to develop. As a result, so they are not sure how you can prevent them.